Hi, my name is Ötzi. I'm a comic book artist and illustrator from Bonn, Germany. Welcome to my compact list of drawing tips. These will be fast-paced, but you can of course rewatch this video as many times as you like. Now, if you are anything like me, you need to first clean up your desk. Get a nice, well-lit spot to work in. As for material, any paper will do. Just avoid ruled paper, squared paper, graph paper or any kind of paper that already has something printed on it, because that will always distract from your artwork. Before you start, it might be a good idea to plan your drawing a bit. For that, you get an extra sheet of paper and draw what we professionals call thumbnails. Just a bunch of really small and rough versions of your drawing or painting, so you can try out ideas for layout and design of your final piece. Good planning will save you much time later on. It pays to start your drawing with very thin pencil lines. Any pencil will do, no need to buy anything fancy. Sketching with pencils allows you to erase and correct mistakes. Make sure to use even the pencil very lightly, just barely enough for you to see what you're doing, but without smudging the paper with graphite, the black stuff from the pencil. You can divide your paper into thirds, horizontal and vertical, sideways and from top to bottom. This provides you with 4 points of interest that will always draw your audience's attention. These are good spots to place interesting stuff. If you want to draw anything as complex as, say, a forest, don't start with the cute little birdie sitting on that exposed branch with all its shiny plumage and the 3 funny feathers on the head. No, start with the large shapes of your forest first. Then start adding in the details. And then you can draw that little birdie sitting on that exposed branch with all its shiny plumage and the 3 funny feathers on the head. Don't overload your picture with details. Details are fun and give the eyes something to look at, but they get lost when placed in an ocean of details. You'd be surprised how far you can get by just hinting at things, shapes, shadows and so on. This will make your important details pop out even more later. By adding a foreground, a middle ground and a background to your picture, you will create the illusion of depth and make your artwork more exciting for the audience to explore. This does not have to be in landscape painting only. You can place some people in the front, a juggling clown in the middle and a striped curtain behind the clown. Voila! You just put the audience right into a circus tent. If you want to draw a lot of something, like a swarm of birds or a crowd of people, usually 3 is enough to convey the idea of plenty. Let's say you want to draw a school of fish. Put a huge one smack in front of the camera, just entering the picture frame. Show one fish completely in all its beautiful detail and place a 3rd small one in the back. Just the shape or the silhouette is enough. Doesn't that already look like a lot of fish? Of course, you don't need to stop at 3. Add as many as you please. If you decide you want strong black lines in your artwork, first draw everything in pencil. Then grab any pen that makes a black line and trace over the pencil sketch. Let the ink dry well and now you erase the pencil underneath. Pro tip: always erase between your 2 outstretched fingers. It will avoid the paper crumbling under your eraser. Now, doesn't that black line on the white paper look terribly professional? Should you want to add colors to your black and white line work, absolutely make sure the black ink does not run once you add water. There's nothing more frustrating than ruining a great painting with smudgy ink. So, make a quick test of your tools on a separate sheet of paper. Should you decide to use colored pencils and no water, you won't have that problem, of course. I hope these tips will help you get started with your drawings and paintings, and I look forward to seeing all your amazing artwork real soon. Now, most importantly, grab a pencil and go have fun.